In this video, we're going to discuss why it's the perfect time for you to start a recruiting agency. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Natasha, the business recruiter. Welcome back to my channel. So when it comes to starting a business, I think the most important thing that you have to keep in mind is there is no right time to start it. More than anything else, it's really about you being as prepared as possible and then jumping in from there. However, there's going to be unique situations that's going to arise that's going to create the optimal opportunity for you to jump into this business. And what I will say is that one of the leading indicators of that is the labor market. Now, while 2021 served to be an unbelievable labor market, something that we've never seen before, 2022 has been a little bit different. When we think about the current state of the economy in 2022, inflation is definitely winning right now. Right now, it's extremely high, and it's really causing businesses to rethink how they are allocating their headcount. And because of this, what we've seen, at least within the tech industry specifically, is a ton of layoffs happening across the board. Now, while layoffs can be scary, we have to think about it in terms of a business opportunity, at least when it comes to owning a recruiting agency. Keep in mind that although companies will be getting rid of individuals who, let's say, don't necessarily fit within their current business plan or business scope, there is always going to be a need for talent, no matter what the external labor market is doing. With that said, we've seen some unique situations already happening in 2022. While there's companies out there like Wayfair and Peloton who have gone through a few rounds of layoffs, they're also continuing to hire. And while this may seem backwards, we have to keep in mind that there will always be positions that need to be filled. And when it comes to talent, especially those who are considered to be in in-demand roles, the competition is still fairly fierce. This has caused companies to have to increase salaries, perks, as well as benefits in order to attract that top talent. And the important thing to keep in mind here is the way that you get paid in terms of this business. You typically, especially if you're focusing on direct hiring, are going to get a percentage of the first year's earnings. And if companies are increasing salaries and perks and sign-on bonuses, you also will experience an increase in the revenue that you'll be bringing in for your business. And keep in mind that the Great Resignation was on and popping in 2021, and it hasn't really slowed down. So although there are layoffs that are occurring, at least specifically within the tech industry, there are individuals who are still leaving their roles at a rapid pace. Again, this is just another data point for you to understand that there are opportunities for you to earn money in this current state. Now, if you have enjoyed this video so far, then be sure to go down below and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you can get notified of all of my videos that drop weekly. So as you navigate this current state in terms of the labor market, here's some advice that I have for you. First, you want to put yourself in a position to be able to identify opportunities that are there. So if you notice that there are organizations that are going through some rounds of layoffs, but also have positions that are still posted, know that there is still a present gap that needs to be filled. And this is where you can come in to help fill that gap. Next, understand that there is still top talent out there that's looking for their next big role. And this might be more applicable now with the layoffs that are currently happening. With that stated, find a way to connect that talent to open roles that you see may be a fit for them. Having a network of top talent once you do get an open role just helps you to be able to fill that requisition a lot faster. And again, this means that increased revenue is coming into your business a lot faster. Next, you want to understand that the Great Resignation is still happening. With this stated, there are still companies out there with open roles that they are desperate to fill. Again, this is another opportunity for you to identify a gap in which you can fill for that organization. This is where you come in with your services to be able to offer them some relief in regards to the fact that maybe they've had some roles that have been open for some time. Again, it's a great opportunity for you to be able to snatch up top talent and then guide that top talent to those open roles that maybe a particular company has been desperate to fill for some time. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, then be sure to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget that I have officially launched my program. The Recruiting Business Accelerator program is for you if you are interested in operating your own recruiting agency. Enrollment is starting very soon, so be sure to get on the waiting list. I'll leave that link down below in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.